Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 1, Management Skills. It is a continuation part of lecture number 5. In this lecture I am going to discuss management skills applicable to private sector, public sector and government sectors. Okay, and also I am just going to discuss and I am going to compare the comparison between public and private sectors. Okay, so introduction. In a private sector, okay, private sector, it is a part of a national economy, okay, that is owned, controlled by a private individuals or a enterprises. Okay, so it is known as a private sector. Private sector companies are divided on the basis of sizes like small, medium enterprises and large enterprises, which are either privately or publicly traded organizations. They can be created in two ways. Okay, so either by the formation of a new enterprises or by the privatization of any public sectors. Okay, sector, enterprises or a company. So in a business, entities or a private sectors are generally established with the objective of making a profit. Okay, so building a brand reputation is it is the toughest challenge for the companies, but their target is to make the word profit and also make the or building a brand reputation. Okay, so they provide quality services to the community and to get the trust. Okay, and goods will be provided to the peoples serve peoples to survive in the long run to compete with the enemies. Okay, so these enterprises also have to follow the government laws and orders. Okay, these private sectors are have to have to follow the government rules and regulations. It is the largest sector in terms of the employees. Okay, so there will be a major services are provided by the private sectors are quality education, telecommunication services, IT services, courier services, infrastructure development. Okay, so there are so many companies, telecommunication companies like Airtel, Vodafone, Idea, like that. Okay, these are all comes in a private sector. Quality education means in a private institutions there's, okay, all the maximum number of private institutions are providing the quality educations. IT services means for industry services. Okay, in IT companies. Okay, these companies provides the technical support and all some things. Okay, some new innovations, some research is to be done in a IT industry. Software development will be done. Courier services means documentation or information to be sent from one place to another place, or any parcel to be sent through a courier. Infrastructure development in a building. Okay, construction companies, consultancies, like that. Okay, these are comes in a infrastructure development and some services to be provided by the private sectors. Okay, so in a public sector, okay, public sector which was engaged in activities of providing government goods and services to the general public sectors. Okay, the enterprises, agencies and bodies are fully owned and controlled and run by the government, whether it is a central government or a state government or a local government. There are two types of public sector organizations, that is either the government fully finance them through the revenue they rise by the collecting the taxes, duties, fees, or a government holds more than 51% of the total share capital of the companies. Okay, so the enterprises are established with the services of motivation. It is the largest sector. Public sector is the largest sector which works for the up, fulfillment of the peoples by providing the following services. Means means generation of employment opportunities, postal services, providing the education and health, low cost. Okay, and also providing the security, railway services. Okay, to the peoples. Okay, this comes in private sectors. Okay, and finally comparison between the private sectors and the public sector. Public sector, it is a government sector. Okay, private means it is owned by ownership. Okay, in a private sector, ownership of assets and delivery of services is in the hand of private individuals and companies. Public sector, in a public sector, the government owns most of the assets to provide all the services. So next, activities in a private sectors are guided to get the profits. Okay, the purpose of the public sector is not to earn the profits. Okay, it is to provide the services to the peoples. So to get in a private sector, to get such services, we have to pay money to the individuals and the companies. So government raises money through the taxes and other ways to meet the expenses on the services given by it. Okay, so in a private sector, companies like Tata Iron and Steel companies, okay, and also Reliance Industries, Airtel, okay, Vodafone, Docomo, like that. Okay, these are comes in a private sectors. In a public sector or a government sector, railways, post office is an best example for the public sector. Modern days government spends on a whole range of all the activities. Okay, so these are comes in a public sectors. Okay, this is a comparison between the private sector and the public sector. Thank you.